The new iPhone SE 2022 smartphone from Apple is equipped with 4 GB of RAM, which is confirmed by the Geekbench testing platform. That's the same as the iPhone 13 and 13 mini, which also use the A15 Bionic chipset. The iPhone SE with the A15 Bionic Processor scored 1,695 in the single-core test and 4,021 in the multi-core test. It's worth noting that these scores are significantly higher than the iPhone SE 2020 model, which scores around 1,300 and 3,300 respectively on a good day. Compared to the iPhone 13, the device is only slightly behind in the single-core test, but loses about 700 points in the multi-core test. The source writes that due to the small size of the smartphone, Apple slowed down the single-chip system in order to avoid problems with overheating, as well as to use battery power wisely. The iPhone SE 2022 has the same hardware as the iPhone 13, but doesn't run as fast. The Geekbench listing shows that the new budget iPhone runs the latest iOS 15.4 out of the box. Apple will begin pre-orders for the iPhone SE 2022 this Friday, March 11th, with the base 64 GB model priced at $430. Deliveries to the US and the first wave of 30 countries including Australia, Canada, China, France, Germany, India, Japan and the UK will begin a week later on March 18th. In terms of specifications, the new iPhone SE 2022 has a familiar design and a 4.7-inch screen, as well as a button with a Touch ID fingerprint scanner. The phone is Ip67 rated, and supports 5G.